Lang dun sa pinadapt ng Finance Committee, yung version ng House na kinaltasan yung ng 1.3 billion yung budget ng Office of the Vice President, hindi ba kayo nalulungkot doon? Or?
Well, in fact, nagpadala ko ng, letter addressed to the chairman of the Finance Committee of the Senate na kung pwede, ibalik yung ibang na nakalagay sa NEP in the interest of fairness. Yun nga, pero I think hindi tayo pinagbigyan. Hindi tayo pinagbigyan. Although, sorry, nobody requested me to do that. That's my own initiative. Even the Vice President did not call me about that. Wala siyang effort na sabihan ako ng patulong. Wala. Ako, my own initiative lang yun. Sumulat lang ako. Address to the chairman, si Senator Grace po, kung pwede, ibalik yung ibang originally nasa NEP na tinanggal doon sa House. So, kung yun nga, ang ginawa is inadapt fully yung galing sa House, that means hindi pinagbigyan yung aking request.
Nalulungkot po ba kayo? Dahil maapektuhan yung trabaho ng OBP.
Alam mo, that's the second highest office of the land, Office of the Vice President. So siguro dapat lang rin na suportahan natin in terms of budget. Pero yung gano'n na parang kinapon natin na tinanggalan, dinifund, agad tinanggal yung funding, almost closely defunding, di ba? Nakakalungkot din dahil anyway, wala tayong magawa. I am only one voice in the wilderness.
So totally pag ganyang inadapt na, hindi na mariremedyon ba yan? Magkakaroon pa ba ng debate o mahahabol pa ba yan?
Again, I still have a chance to fight it out during the YCAM. Or itong bago mag-third reading, pwede ko rin gagawa ko ng effort. I-remind ko ulit yung finance chairman namin, baka pwede pa tayo magbigyan sa ating kahilingan. Madagdagan man lang kahit pa paano yung budget ng OVP. Pero again, kung hindi tayo pagbigyan, wala tayong magawa. Hanggang pag-iusap lang tayo. Isa lang ako. Mahirap. But at least gusto lang naman natin na as I've said, it is the second highest office of the land. So sana mabigyan rin ng pondo. Okay, thank you.